Gold diggers.
Come on, man! Be careful!
Welcome in the second part of the Gold Digger series. We have recorded it because of the 500 subscription on YouTube. As to the summary. By now our channel have received 600 subscriptions. We've published 136 videos. Views counter on our channel struck over 170,000. You leave over 1,500 thumbs under our videos. We would like to thank you for your engagement. Last part of the Gold Diggers has been watched by more than 600 people. Our profit reached $300 then. We will see how it goes this time. Stay with us till the end of the recording to find out the present result. We are active on the social media, so you can find us on Twitter and Facebook. Our Facebook site has over 1,200 followers. Twitter account is observed by the 200 people. Here I would like to give you some hint about contact with us. If you have any questions or problems with your device, please use social media mentioned above or our email. It will make our communication faster and the information will be up to date. As you can see on our channel, we have created categorized playlists where you can find some solution for the specific brands. You can find there almost all of Xperia Z models, starting from the Xperia Z to Xperia Z3. We will supply it with Xperia Z3 Plus and Sony Z5. So today's recording will be about Xperia phones. Now I would like to tell you what we have purchased this time. Xperia Z5 pieces, Xperia Z1 6 pieces, Xperia Z3 compact 1 piece, Xperia M2 Aqua, Xperia M, Xperia SP, Xperia U and Xperia Z3, Xperia ZL, which is from the limited edition. There are really only a few such phones on the market. This is the first phone in our electronic workshop. To tell you the truth, the spare parts are rare and difficult to get. Whole set costs us $540. The phones are with slight or medium damages. Most of them got cracked screens. As you can imagine, our channel already have solution for most of the repair, which will be shown in this recording. We would like to tell you about some most common faults in these models, so you can find out what are the risks of buying them. As you can see, phones came with the original boxes, which is important for the buyers, so it will make the sale easier for us. Now you can see Xperia ZL Xperia Z and Z1 Compact dominate the whole set. During the repair this type of phones, you should remember to use good quality and original adhesives, often accessible in the tape shape. We have got a video on our channel about Sony Xperia Z1 Compact, where you can watch how to deal with the phone assembly. Let us go now to the faults showing up in these cell phones. We will focus on the possible solution, so you would be able to perform such a repair for yourself at minimum costs. Now we move to the both Xperia phones. We will show what is wrong with them and how to resolve it properly. In the presented Z3 model, you can observe a broken LCD. In this repair we replaced whole set. If it comes to the Xperia Z1 Compact, we had to replace batteries. Most of the batteries were swollen. Many of them have also faulty vibrators, which is really simple to replace. Another common issue is purchased Xperia Z models was damaged SIM slot, broken USB caps and broken charging ports. When you assemble Z model, remember to focus on the careful cleaning the remnants of the glue from the back cover, which can cause back cover coming off the frame. So don't be amazed when you encounter situation where the LCD or back cover will come off the frame. As to the screen replacement, the matter is simpler with the Samsung phones. Xperia models are quite difficult to separate comparing to Samsung phones. Samsung are much more handy when it comes to the LCD refurbish. LCD are not immune to the strain and they can easily get spilled. Now you can observe the layers of the disassembled LCD. It consists of few reflective layers, backlight layer and transparent layer. Although we make many of the LCD refurbish, we still struggle with situation when we damage the displays while performing the screen separation. The difficulty of the separating depends on the size and complexity of the crack. Returning to the Xperia Z1 Compact, we would like to mention another important clause in this model, which is fast discharging of the battery. It is due to the faulty chip on the motherboard. Whole repair is accessible on our channel. The repair is not easy to deal with it because of the underfill, which is spilled around the chip, so the whole replacement is a hardship. We can also mention the charging port malfunction, but this is very often issue in other models as well. Now to the sum up. Here you can find out the refurbished phones. First one is Xperia Z3 with new original LCD. The shape of the phone is brilliant, it looks like new one. Future owner should be really satisfied with this item. If you need spare parts like tapes, seals, back covers, screens or anything which is shown on this video, contact us through the Facebook. We can supply you with the original parts. Next phone is Sony Xperia Z1 Compact. I predict that the next episode of our Gold Diggers will be posted when we reach another milestone, which will be 1000 subscribers on our channel. I think we will buy much more damaged phones, which will really repair and show you the results. And the Sony Xperia M4 Aqua. Now, Sony Xperia Z. You must admit that it looks like new, and it is hard to get one in such a shape nowadays. We often put tempered glass on the screens to improve their resistance. You can watch how to do it properly with one of our videos on YouTube. Some phones weren't profitable to repair, so we leave them for parts, as the LCDs and screens were okay, so we will use them as a replacement for another repairs. I was referring to Xperia SP and Xperia U. To sum up, we will give you some information about costs and profits. The phones costs us $560. Parts took us $220. we able to sold them for $1,300. So we gain $520. We need to spend 50 hours to get them to that shape. As always, I leave the judgment of the whole operation and obtain profits for you. Till the next time, stay in touch with our channel and our profiles on social media. Bye for now.